Hey there. Thinking about traveling to Europe? Well, you're going to need a Schengen Visa to explore those beautiful countries. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process in just 3 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to figure out the type of Schengen Visa you need. Are you going for tourism, business, or maybe visiting family? Knowing this helps you gather the right documents. Now let's talk about those documents. You'll need a completed visa application form, a valid passport, 2 recent passport-sized photos, and proof of travel insurance. Your insurance should cover at least €30,000 just in case. Don't forget to include your flight itinerary and hotel bookings. They'll want to see proof of where you're staying and your planned return. Next, gather your financial proof. This shows you can support yourself during your trip. Bank statements, payslips, or a sponsorship letter work well here. Plus, if you're employed, a letter from your employer stating your position and leave approval is a must. For students, a letter from your school will do the trick. Once you've got your documents in order, it's time to book an appointment at the nearest embassy or consulate of the country you'll be spending the most time in. Make sure to do this well in advance, as appointments can fill up quickly. Aim to apply at least 15 days before your trip, but no earlier than 6 months. On the day of your appointment, dress smartly and arrive on time. Bring all your documents neatly organized in a folder. You might be asked a few questions about your trip, so be ready to explain your plans clearly and confidently. After your interview, you'll need to pay a visa fee, which is usually around €80. Now it's time to play the waiting game. Processing times can vary, but typically you'll hear back within 15 days. If approved, congratulations, you're one step closer to your European adventure. If not, don't be discouraged. You'll receive a reason for the denial, and you can always reapply once you've addressed the issues. And there you have it. A smooth, straightforward guide to getting your Schengen visa. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more travel tips. Safe travels and enjoy Europe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.